Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through how to back up your customized vocabulary file using a cloud storage service. A reliable way to keep your AAC setup safe and accessible. There are many cloud storage options out there. Popular ones include Dropbox, Google Drive, and iCloud Drive. For this tutorial, we'll be using Google Drive, but feel free to use whichever cloud service you prefer. Here are a few things to check before you start. Make sure the app for your cloud service is installed and you're signed in. Be aware of your storage limits, especially if you're backing up multiple or large files. Let's go through the steps to back up your file. From your vocabulary list, choose Menu. Select Import/Export Vocab. Choose Export and Share. Choose the customized vocabulary file you want to back up. Select Done. Choose Google Drive. Then choose Upload. And that's it. Your custom vocabulary file is now safely stored in the cloud. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more AAC tips and how-tos. See you next time.